Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will make patterns by using shapes. So first of all, we will go to the shapes and here we will draw a rectangle. So I am going to the shapes and here I will select rectangle and I will draw it over here. And yes, I have done, adjust it. And now I will select my color. I will go to the this greenish color and I will done with this. And now I want something additional on this pattern, so I will go again to the shapes and now I will select custom shapes and here I will choose something like flowers. So I will select a flower. Yeah, this will be perfect and I will draw it in the center of this rectangle. And once I done with this and I will fill this with color. I will select something like reddish or maroonish. So I will go to the OK. And once you're done with this, and now you have to save it in Photoshop. So what you will do, you will select all by pressing Ctrl A and then you will go to the edit and here you will define pattern. So here we will keep this layer or pattern's name. So here I will writing flower and I keep this pattern's name flower and it has been saved in Photoshop. Now I will go to the other canvas and here I will go to the pattern shape tool and here I will click on this and we will see some options over here and here we have to define contents. I will click on the pattern and here you can see my pattern has been ready to use. I will go with this, click on the pattern and then OK with it. And guys, you can see your pattern has been done. So this is how to make pattern by using shapes. Thank you so much.